What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to decrease or increase the volume of your video in Filmora 14. Firstly, what you want to do is to bring your video to the timeline like I did right here. Let me show you how it looks right now.
My YouTube channel is called Geotron.
Now, if you want to increase the volume or you want to decrease it, all you have to do is to select the video, then you're going to Audio tab, and as you can see here at Adjustments, you have the volume. If you drag this circle to the left, into a negative digit, or you put here a negative digit, the volume will be decreased. Let me show you on -5, for example.
Channel is called Geotron.
And if you drag it to the right, or you put a positive digit like it's right now, you will see that the volume will increase.
And I make tutorial video.
Let me put it on 15.
Channel is called Geotron.
And as simple as this, you just decrease it or increase it the volume of your video. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.